Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate Onesearch, our search engine to the library databases. You can use Onesearch to search most of our databases at the same time. Let's take a look. Imagine we're writing a research paper about how service dogs can help people with autism. It's important to keep searches simple, using only the most important keywords, for example, service dogs and autism. We can see that this search gave us 321 results. By looking at the refined search section on the right-hand side of the page, we can continue to narrow our results. For example, we can select a particular resource type, like articles or books. We can also limit to a particular publication range. This is particularly helpful when you're needing to find resources that are up to date. Let's take a look at books. This first one looks perfect, and it's an electronic source that you can read online. Click on the title, and then the link under View Online, and then you can read a description of the book. Then click on the PDF full-text link to open the book up, and we can see that there's a chapter called Service Dogs that you can go to directly. By using the resources along the top of the page here, you can save, email, and print sections of the book, find a citation for the source, and copy and paste a permalink that will take you back to this source once you leave the database. If you are having trouble finding resources using Onesearch, ask a librarian for help. Thank you.